My name is Jamal Osman. I am a journalist and I have been working as a journalist for more than 8 years now. I chose journalism because though it has a negative perception, I think it could be a force for good if you stick to the ethics, if you have principles, if you think about your responsibility as a journalist, your contributions to the society. I think it's a good profession. It's one of those professions that you can personally benefit immensely and also make a positive contribution. You can personally grow, you learn a lot, you travel to exciting places, you meet very interesting people along the way, but also, as I said, you can make a positive contribution, you can literally save lives, you can expose the bad guys, the wrongdoings. Journalism is full of challenges. We often say a news story is a story that someone somewhere doesn't want you to know. So every story you do, someone gets angry, which means you have powerful enemies, which means you travel to hostile places that are dangerous. So I would say it's full of challenges, and especially in the area, in the regions I work, safety is a big issue. When I do a story and that story brings changes, I would say that's my highest achievement. And there are many stories that I have done over the years that I can think of that made a positive contribution or saved lives or changed attitudes. My future plans are to stay within the profession, to be a journalist, hopefully to continue working with international media. In particular, I have been working with Channel 4 News for more than 8 years now. I have also started a media organization called Dalsor that focuses on the Somali community, wherever they are. We are now a global community. So we try and do interesting stories about Somalis wherever they are. And I'm hoping to grow that. I'm hoping to grow Dalsor, make it big, and still remain within the journalism profession.